Missy say you're not regular somebody to play with. So me now go just let you go so.
I'm avoiding distraction. I made the success my mission.
Woman power. Money power.
Money power. Yeah.
I'm avoiding distraction. I made the success my mission.
What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. One Maggy Films and never two. See? Alright, so the movie is called The Desperate Girls. I'm wanting to watch it from start to finish. Yo, epic piece of movie. Anyway, quick and fast. When you remember the business, online service hub, where you can get your traffic ticket to be paid online. Yeah, man, you can skip the line. You can get a police record done online. But again, if you have a business and the business not yet registered, you can also get it done. Or if it registered and you need to renew your business certificate, you can get it done right at online service hub. As also, if you have a traffic ticket that you cannot see, like say it robot, everything on it robot, right? Contact them and they will sort it out for you, right? They can provide the court data and so forth, right? So online service hub pretty much do everything, you know, right? So contact them and they will sort out stuff for you, right? Big up on yourself. Enjoy the movie from start to finish, as I say. Now well enough. The Desperate Girls. Big up on yourself.
Maggy
Films. Maggy.
Open your eyes, what can you see around? Wind of the open sky, over the siren sound. This is a dream, getting the royal scar, holding a diamond blade, throwing it far. Holding your breath still, you jump the fire. We'll just sit and wait till you see me fly. You know they'll never catch me for it. See me fly. The way I put my finger on it. See me fly. You got it, then try to tell me you got the wrong guy. See me fly. You know they'll never catch me for it. See me fly. The way I put my finger on it. See me fly. You got it, then try to tell me you got the wrong guy. Look at them now, all of the noise they make, counting the cards to one. Queen of hearts never breaks. Falling asleep, here might just take a while. Trying not to grind your teeth, dreaming to touch my style. Well, can't say.
Kimberly. Girl.
What's up? Every time I come my girl, you have me a fear call her much time. Kimberly! Girl, come on, son. I think I see me out there, so. Are you run this or do?
I can't use the bathroom again. Come on. Watch out. Let's say I distract me, you know. Watch your foot, watch your foot.
Girl, right now, I'm just out in the girl. I can't bother, girl. Right now, it come like some assault in her life. Every time I get free. Girl, you know how much work me a child look, girl. Me not get no work. How much application me drop off. Nobody not call me back. Right now, I can't bother. I just feel like it's my life. Girl, right now, I feel like I just step my life, yo.
No. You're mad, girl. If you say you feel like you take your life. You know life are the greatest. Hmm?
Girl, no, mama
When
try now
you take your
work.
life and gone, who are going to live your life for you? Hmm? People are going to go out there and live their own life and live their best life. You understand? You know how me feel when me sick. When me sick I feel like me I go lose my life. You know how me feel? Me start ball, me start get paranoid, me start discover. Me love my life. So no matter how things hard, girl, and how things are go tough, you have to just try to figure out one way.
That
You
man,
understand?
bro, man, go and
So now let
push.
me hear your sister again. Auntie that out of your mind. Don't do that.
Girl, right now, all market. Me dey sell off market more. Me nah have no money for buy back the things them. My mother get sick, me have to use the money for do that. Right now, girl, I don't even know.
Right?
Right now, I try to come to buy from you, because I want to get something.
Rochelle, to tell you honest truth, me dey on the same boat. Me dey on the same boat. Me not have no money at all. I wonder say how things so things tough man, things tough a one way.
That money I get harder and harder to make each day, girl. Right now.
Good.
You know what I'm saying? Who have it now want it now, who now have it and them want it.
Yeah. They saying they always run the place.
Want it.
But sometime you have to get up and go for where you want. You get what I say? And right now, me just stay aside try to figure out one way how to make some money. You get what I say?
Yes, so girl, you not get no work or nothing. You just there yourself too.
Me not get no listen. See like you tell me say you drop off application and up now go on. A whole heap of application me drop off. And no call. And still I go. Still I do it. You know what I say? So me just there now and try to figure out a way I'm friend.
So me there try to figure a way to get the bread, bro. I just want one easy way. I can't take the hard way right now. Them say you never take a shortcut in life, but right now I feel like I take a whole shortcut them. Because scammer make money, bro. Easy, them just one call, boom. Why that can't just work for us too? I told me know my hand get dirty still, you know. That's why I go and push you out.
We are gonna figure out this, my friend, and we are gonna figure out one way how to get money and not the illegal way. You get what I say? So just not to stress yourself. Everything will be alright.
Bless it, anyways. But girl, you not hear about the China Robinson? Yeah, girl, me hear say 30 million man them jog down fast.
Hold on, you say you hear about it too.
Girl, me hear about it, yes. But me I say, look how them man they can just go 30 mil quick. I reach them man they reach out now, you know. Them not fear worry about nothing, bro.
You can't look for life, so. You understand, Rochelle? Suppose when then they come out, police catch them, they would go to prison or probably police take it to a next extent. So you can't look for life, so.
Them not got prison door,
I know
bro.
every easy money good.
Bro, right now, me I think big. Me no want to work for people, bro. That's why you see me I work at the market, bro. That's why you see me there try my best. But it come like say my best is not good enough because watch it. Look how me they push out one day. Say yeah, must start my market business now. It was like perfect gun now, mama something. Just so, bro.
Listen, everything happen for a reason. And as me say, things take time. So, we have to go just find a way how to make money and survive out of this thing. You understand? So, not to worry yourself.
There's so much money China them have 30 million.
Let's still upon that. As me say, stop stress yourself. Just make you go and apply for some work until we can, you know, have our own a business.
Okay, oh yes.
And can cope our own, you understand? But for now, just make you go and do that. You can't do it, rush things, Rochelle. Understand?
No rush things in a girl. I just want
Take your
life
mind
for
and
a
maybe give
pound
them 30
later.
million.
The man, they supposed to good, you know. 30 million. Shut up, God.
But I agree with what I said, though.
I agree with what you say, girl.
Yeah.
I feel like, you know, understand them say money are the root of all evil. Because look how me make money make me start pretty corrupt. Things when me not trained for the money and make me take them way there. Hey, hunger is a hell of a thing, you know.
No, but just take it easy one at a time. Understand?
I understand what you say. Right now, I want to move in because see time I kind of get late. I'm going to go check for my mother.
Yeah, hey. You have one last 50 line on my name there, want it?
Yeah, girl, better than nothing can make up. But anyways, later.
Alright. Listen. Positive mindset. Yeah?
No, girl. May I text you here?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Boy, rough in a girl, but me I go on to 40. What we can do? So me no hear say boy then rob down a cash pot shop. Hold on the rain, I get one call. Hello?
Hi, Kimberly.
Yes.
Miss Aaron's here. You coming in today to drop off the application letter?
Yes, Miss Aaron, me still a come today.
All right. How soon?
I'll be there soon. I'll only next 20 minutes.
All right, no problem. All right.
Okay. Rena, me soon call her back. I gotta deal with some paperwork. Yeah, man, me soon call her back.
Like a stallion, saddle up and ride till we crossing the line. We some champions. We know how to make it rain in the bedroom. We don't need a club, got our own groove. Coming at the same time, you don't got a dime for us. When we make it rain in the bedroom, we don't tell us all what we gon' do. Dirty little secrets, yeah. Keep it in the sheets with us. When we make it rain in the bedroom. When we make it rain in the bedroom. I'm a main squeeze, don't get it twisted. There's a problem, we gonna fix it. This ain't the type of thing you lose, so let's keep on doing what we do. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride till we crossing the line like a champion. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride till we crossing the line. We some champions. We know how to make it rain in the bedroom. We don't need a club, got our own groove. Coming at the same time, you don't got a dime for us. When we make it rain in the bedroom, we don't tell us all what we gon' do. Dirty little secrets, yeah. Keep it in the sheets with us. When we make it rain in the bedroom. When we make it rain in the bedroom.
This is the application. You can have a seat. And next time you just properly.
You see your hands. Remember me tell you something, I don't know how to clothes, you know. So, just come as me are.
That's understandable. So Kimberly, what happened to the subjects? I don't see any subjects on this. I don't see any subjects at all. What happened? Remember that over here you have to. It is a must. At Roots Bamboo Beach Resort, it is a must that you have qualifications. And I don't see any on this.
Mr. Hans, I don't know CXC.
And I honestly did not know you had no qualification at all. I mean, I'm not even seeing any experience. Yes, even if you're dancing here within the entertainment industry, it is required for you to have at least 4 CXC subjects, and I'm not seeing any. It makes no sense, Kimberly. I would really try to pull some string to help you, but without any at all, it will not get anywhere. And I hope you understand that as a manager, I have to stand the ground, and it's just not acceptable. I'm sorry.
So Mr. Hans, I can see what can go on, or
As I said, Kimberly, I would really want to help you, but there's nothing I can do. Like there's nothing at all on it. I'm seeing is just a basic information, 2 pages of basic information. Yes, you've worked places before, but working here, as I mentioned before, at Roots Bamboo Beach Resort, it is required for you to have at least 4 CXC subjects, especially in the entertainment area. So it's unacceptable. We're not able to take it, all right, and I'm sorry.
alright, Miss Ernst, thanks for having me here.
Yeah, man, all right. You walk good, all right?
Alright, Miss Ernst.
I like that nervous look on your face when you're starting to think that you're talking too much. I like how we just met and I'm not even slightly afraid to be opening up. I like that we've been sitting here, hands moving around the clock, and I still can't get enough. No, I can't get enough. You look in my eyes and I already hope this lasts. Trying hard not to jump, not to move too fast. But we could go all in. We could be in love by the end of the night. Sitting here talking, kissing your lips and I'm coming alive. Or we could start running, make a list of ways that the time just isn't right. Or we could go all in. Yeah, we could be in love by the end of the night. By the end of the night. I like the way you're holding me close, arms wrapped around my waist like you've done it all your life. I like the way it feels to have you running lap after lap all over my mind. Yeah, if the world ended today and I was sat right here by your side, that'd be alright. Yeah, that'd be alright. You look in my eyes and I already hope this lasts. Trying hard not to jump, not to move too fast. But we could go all in. We could be in love by the end of that you're talking too much. I like how we just met, and I'm not even slightly afraid to be opening up. I like that we've been sitting here, hands moving around the clock, and I still can't get enough. No, I can't get enough. But we could go all day. Could be enough by the end of the night. Sitting here talking.
Rachel,
Yeah?
I have one idea how to make money, you know.
What can I do then?
You are going. You're there over here. Link me in the next hour.
Girl. Hello. How are you? Why you look so? No, girl, I don't like how you look. How am I? How am
I don't know 1 hour.
Girl, you're going to say I only per hours, my girl. I just about 1 hour and about 30 minutes.
No, but I have no timing.
That's some of my dad do, that's why. How am I? Girl, I want me to come and tell me say no for make money. Some day you know, tell me I want.
A matter of fact, too. You reach a little earlier. Because when me call, you know, 3 hours over the time before you reach, you know.
I don't know Jamaican, I know
Reach
time.
early.
I'm excited. I just want. You sound like you find a way, you find a solution. Girl, you just stay to space. Talk.
There are going.
No, man. I don't like how this look.
You calm down, the man. You need to calm down.
Alright. But calm. Talk.
You know me ever encourage you, though. What me I go say to you? Me know you take me as no bad person. We find a way, you know. But and I like say, I know me illegal way I do. It's a good way, you understand?
You're right.
God give you a gift though.
What can I give God? Hold on, girl. Girl, I hope I know what me think, you know. Cause what kind of gift God gonna give me? Girl, me none of them certain stay over that theater boy, you know. Me no plan to sell my body. If I that you the thing bout, come to hear say God give a gift. What kind of gift God could I give you so?
So how you jump a sell body gunner?
Go at that side of my man, I talk about God give you a gift. That's the only thing what my man could have come up with.
God give you a gift, right? Beauty.
Oh, yes.
And we also have a talent, right?
What a talent.
Come on, Rochelle, man. Come on. We not talk about no sell, but no, that out.
Yeah, but people have all kind of different talent. People can sing, people can dance, people can do all of something. So what kind of talent we have?
Alright, listen. Basically, you're me trying to say. We still how long and suffer, not true? So, come to think of it, me start use my brain box now and start remember say God give us all women a gift. So me call and tell us say me have an idea, me have a plan or something or whatsoever.
Over my money.
Don't you grateful, right?
Yeah, I'm grateful as I want to hear the idea.
Here we go on. Me gonna need one team.
One team to do.
Me gonna need some girl. Me gonna need a team of girl.
One team of girl. Yeah, what we are gonna do? Girl, open on a gun thing you praying a girl. Open on a badness thing you praying a girl. Me not in that, you know.
No, Rochelle, no man. You ever see me harm nobody yet?
No, that's why I want to know where they talk
So
about.
I'm telling you to calm down.
Alright.
You ever see me do nothing illegal yet? That's
No.
what me I say. It's not a bad thing me I do. But it's a way how you can make some real money. I'm gonna need a team, some girl. Perhaps me need Raina. But me don't know how me will go to Raina with this.
Know what yourself, me will talk to Raina.
When you talk to Raina, you didn't even hear what me have to say. You tell her just calm down. It's a plan me come up with. Would I like when the team make would I go catch some man and carry them come to me and we rob them.
Jesus. Girl. Now you would have told me so we do positive things. That's not nothing bad. Oh, you're saying nothing bad? Jesus. Girl. Robbery. We got thief. Lord God. Girl, listen up. I don't want me ever come. I want never make up your mind. Cause you ever convince me, you ever dip on the positive side, girl.
Listen.
I didn't expect that from you.
And me not try no. I'm on the application. Me drop off and no call. Look on your little business where you have, it brought down. So it's not like I not try, me not try. It's that God give we a gift. You know see we born with beauty and charm. We woman lucky, you know. So listen. Me know why you have in your head say we are doing nothing bad. And nothing bad we are do. Remember God give we a gift. So we have to use up it. You get what me I say? So nothing no wrong if we use with charm and with beauty and catch some man. And boom, bingo. I don't know nothing bad we are do.
Before we get catch.
We not.
Alright. May I hear you?
Just tell yourself say I know nothing bad. I know nothing bad we are do. Girl, you can reach in a 1 month time, you know.
1 month, like millionaire, like that you mean?
Yeah, we can reach in a 1 month time, but that's why I tell you sometimes when you're too honest. When you're too honest in life, you're not going to reach now with my friend.
That's true.
You know what I say? So you are going now. But still, listen to me.
Me I hear you.
You still can't tell Raina this and it happen. After what me just tell her.
Girl, right now, Rena would appreciate it more than me because Rena love money. You would have to tell her twice.
Alright, you are going. If I get Raina at this, I go want one more girl.
You know, come to think of it, I have one friend though. I have one friend.
Yeah, but she have to look good enough. She have to be pretty.
Yeah,
It's like how we look good in our crew already. Want some girl that come in now for look good just like we. We don't want no to offend it.
Girl, listen to me. I'm a friend and me I tell you that the girl is pretty nice browning. And gonna get enough man more than we, girl. I that me they tell you. You understand? Nice, pretty browning. Know yourself. Hold on. Oh, see it, I find it. I'm gonna call Raina. But hold on. She not have a baby. You think she's suitable?
Of course, sugar. Of course. Because you are going now. Remember saying no? The baby father won't claim to say have. Because I don't like him, you know. He workless like a dog, you know. Remember him run off left she with the baby, you know. So it would have better for Raina and her baby so she can take
Hold on,
care
that girl, because she not answer me. I'm call him back.
take care of her baby. You get what I say? So, you don't worry about that.
Hold on. Raina,
Yeah.
girl, you can talk. You can talk now.
Yeah, we can talk about
I say, girl, my day, you know, and I'm find one way, girl, for make quick money, dog. We can rich in a 1 month. Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl, fast money. But me have to come link, you see me? And everything we talk over phone.
Yeah, for true, man, got bush happy. Hurry up.
Alright, where you down your yard?
Yeah, me don't here.
Alright, my sofa there.
Aye.
Alright. See, me tell you so she go agree. Remember, say she love money, you know, girl.
Alright.
So watch out, I'm go get the next girl. I'm go link up on the phone and tell her what she say. But me go link her in here now. Alright. Alright, I'm go link up on the phone, yeah? Right, see me all of that show my money. You see how my frightened so fast. All them little 150 I can't stay, no, because millions is still start making a girl. But for now, I'm going to keep it, because when I start making millions, it's here. Later. I'm going to link here.
When I see you, I just go loco, baby girl. When I see you, I just go loco. Your body language spoke guru. Like you, I love to chop local, baby girl. Your skin they blow my heart, see mocha. I promise you this life in joya. You and me go there forever. Ade. Fine but go there fly. Ade. Tell you me go there fine.
So far, I'm tired now.
Girl, stop complaining.
What you complain for? I can't manage my lifestyle right now. Look how me I get red. I'm tired.
Always ready. Come on and walk. Alright, look at this now.
Look how far that day.
Girl, let's continue. I'm before your best behavior. You know.
What kind of something this and put me in it?
Me are they getting you back up. You want to only
I'm tired, man. I'm tired of you.
No, I'm tired of you. When we talk nice, you know, reach.
What kind of place this so?
Listen to me. Churching boy, no really have no manners in the girl. Tell us, baby,
Man, you have no manners either.
control yourself. And money pre with it. And what do you, girl?
Now what kind of money business this? Watch out.
Kimberly!
give you my love. I swear, then no go be no.
Kimberly!
And for the
Kimmy!
my baby, did you me go broke?
Kimberly! Kimberly! Girl, look here! Big pie your best, baby. Nobody will finish. So she come, stop. Come. Come.
When I see you, I just put loco. When I see you, I just put
Oh, I mean, why?
Alright, so you know Rena already and this Akira, but we call her Red Girl. She our next girl waiting.
Hi, Kia.
Um,
Rena, hi.
Hi.
Me nah see you. For you have baby. Only on phone me I hear.
I pay phone you come pan. For me a baby I pay phone you come pan. I can say you want to see me. Mine is where you say I go on because I have to deal with me mother, you know.
So basically,
Girl,
you done tell them already.
No, I'ma just tell them so we can make money in at one time. Talk.
You talk to Rena?
Girl, me just tell them so we can make the money in a 1 month time. Now we talking.
You talk to Rena?
Yeah, me talk to Rena, but me not really talk to she. Me just tell her about the 1 month money. That's all one. So you can talk to them now, them there. Talk to them. Hold on, can I come look at if I'm but listen to me. But she have to try to tell you, right? We go rich in a 1 month time, but you don't have to cooperate, right? We go put it up on the road. She go put it up on the road and we go catch some man and rob them. You understand that? Oh.
no, sir.
What you mean no, sir, girl?
You mean if you tell me, say, you take me out of my yard? If you gonna tell me, say, we're gonna rob man?
Girl, calm down, calm down.
Me not depend that.
And I rob, you know what I say, we go hold them and grab them and just say, give me your arm.
Hold on. Me not depend that. You're not here.
Alright, here. Listen. Here what go on. Here what go on. What you say your name again? What's your name?
Red girl.
Red girl.
She named Kira.
Red girl. I like the name there. You're very beautiful.
Makes you feel.
But you're rich.
No, but me I work funny. So we all laugh for.
Because you're funny, girl.
Better than rob man.
You're
Sorry.
very
Calm
funny.
down, Michelle. Calm down.
Better than robbing a man. That you do. Me not depend
Listen.
that.
It's not like a something bad we're about to do. Remember, you know, God give you a gift, though. So, in that case, God give you one gift. So, what we have to do with the gift?
Use the gift. Now make the gift go to waste. Girl, talk the girl that talk to you. You didn't look at the space. Now you didn't have more to while ago.
Me not depend him something, you know.
Exactly. God, listen. It's not like you go harm nobody. It's not like you go catch him man them and you go put a gun at their head and kill them. No.
Right.
You understand? You just go for the man them. Go look the man them and carry them in.
Yes. Use what God gave to you. Simple. Just so. Easy. 1, 2, 3. Money. When did I have to understand, girl? No, sir.
Listen. As me say, I'm going to say it again. I know nothing bad way I do. Hey, when you can reach now 1 month time, you know. And me I tell her say,
Money.
I don't know like no pa money, you know. Cause remember so we got the figure. Remember so we have it, look our face. You know so our face pretty like a money.
We can drive markets, crowd, Beamer, Benz. Girl, think smart.
Exactly.
Hold on. One thing I want to get straight. One understand say we are go catching man them, but how we are getting money?
Oh. She will tell that part then.
No, listen. money are not the problem. Because of me, I deal with it. So in that case, when I catch him and them, when I get a room, which may have the room already, when I carry them go there, and then me deal with it after. Me deal with everything after. So, if I the case where you have to go up on dates with them, entertain them, and then bring them home to the room, that's it. And then me deal with everything after.
Right. Flirt with them, make them drink and then rub down them head, them something there. Una woman, you know what should not feel going into details.
Alright, listen. One way how to make the money. You see, after I catch him and them, and I carry them come to the room, I go always there. So you see when you catch them and rub them down and take off them clothes, I go always there under the bed bottom. But here we go now. There is one particular man where him no keep cash. Bank card straight through.
But where get the pin number?
You don't worry about that. You don't worry about that. I'm going to show each of you the man them want to go to. Understand? So, Rochelle.
So,
Him live a White Road. Him name Tevin.
okay. Yeah.
You see him? So this one Rochelle go program. Alright.
Why that one day?
You know which one this? The one at Draco.
Wait, which Jacob? The Jacob?
The money man.
The man that rich, you know? Wait now. The man that rich, you know? Alright.
Exactly, so are you.
What him?
I look sell for my money.
It don't really
What
matter. But him more you for deal with. You get what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah. Rena.
Look nice. Oh my god, I don't get the ugly one.
Look nice. The one I name Richie. Him live a Bear Road. And him work up a Long Bay Beach. You get what I say? Him work Andersham. Him deal with the whites. So him have money. A chopper. So you see, all them man that I show you, they're rich. I don't know if you can get people them me telling about right now. A rich man them.
You don't forget to ask one question. We not sleep with them, do we not?
No.
Oh.
Obviously.
We not sleep with them. As when I tell you now, I don't know nothing bad not do.
But hold on. People them want to sleep with we.
Listen. It's up to you stills. If you want to sleep with them, but here we go on. You woman, you must know how if you can we would call it now. If you take money off of a man without sleeping with them.
But to me always a commandment.
And each one I know I go always have one knife. And no matter of fact you go always under the bed too.
That's all.
That's alright.
So when you don't have to worry on yourself. As what I tell you now. What wanna say? Who in?
Me. Well, me with a long time now.
What that mean? What that mean?
Me in.
Okay, so everything's sealed then.
When you start?
So hold on.
Like right now.
Hold on, I want to know about the money part. How much may I get? Can't then I don't know how much me I
Alright.
get.
So basically,
I'm supposed to ask.
say, so we make $1 million. We're gonna split up if you all a week.
Exactly, because I must say that go.
I just want to know.
Equally, we're gonna share it up equally.
You say we're gonna make millions, someone. If we're gonna make millions, I don't have time to waste them. So
You feel like my friend a cap a girl. I'm my best friend, this and she ain't a clapper, you know. So that's be yourself, my girl. If she say go make millions, you go make millions.
Girl, how when me feel like me I say. I don't know, I have to know.
Alright, listen, as when me I tell you now, you don't have to worry yourself about nothing at all. You get me I say, remember, I know nothing bad you do. Is that God give we a gift and we are use it up. You understand? Because I know you want to make some crazy ass piece of money. So, what you say?
Ready? No. Ready. So who get the first client?
Me not itch.
Who get the first client?
It's not about who get the first client. Only they on a mission now, one if you start. So what you say? You want to start today or you want to start tomorrow?
No.
Wow. That's the spirit. Let's do this.
I could be your alpha, I could be your Romeo. Tell them boys back up, I ain't going nowhere. I'ma for that back up, put it on your story so what your friends see it, everyone can see it. Yeah, and we going and going and going, it's a good night. Baby, let it
So I'm about drive it cold.
Boy, I feel right now, the game sticky. Be a police upon my back right now, upon my shoulder, anything what you want to call it. Nothing I go on for the game right now, you know. You know, some me have a park with Bima. See, I want boy, millennium me Bima wadi and the boy go crash me Bima and I want vaccine. I'll be a fed up on my shoulder right now.
Boy, sometimes I wish me didn't have a game.
You don't know what I wish right now, because to a game I run right now, you know. The game sticky, you know, when they say sticky, you know, but I feel like I grow, you know, so. Which part of it?
No, I ride around this man a yellow house, you know, for yourself. You're so rich. Are you tired?
What?
I see you for drive, because you're not used to the walking. You understand? But sometimes it's good to exercise yourself.
You know how police take from me car. Yo, so I say you live? You say you really live and make your place grow up?
No, I don't really like to know, because when you get one worker man to cut your body and he never show up. So I don't know, I say that way upon him.
Yo, for a man like come we have millions, you know, like drive Bima, you know. Man, no fear walking in them yard, you know. Lead the way, yeah, man.
Just come on, man, and stop fussy yourself. Come on and stop fussy yourself, man.
Yeah, my yard, you know, man. I brick walk on, you know. Then when you left here, do open stuff.
Oh, I was my friend, they come over here, come take up sitting and go. Welcome.
Wow. Oh, that do look sharp, but it don't look too bad.
Come on. Just sit down and make yourself comfortable now.
Yeah, man.
Just sit down and make yourself comfortable. You can take off your clothes and something, you know?
Wow, really? So, you do a go stay open like that?
No, yourself, me like it feel. Just relax, man. You know, take a deep breath. Man, you make yourself at home.
Oh, like comfortable?
Yeah, get yourself comfortable.
Action.
You can put your pants where they say now.
No problem. That style. How you feel make me come in your yard and take off clothes and me not get nothing?
Sorry, I never know somebody from my menstrual.
Yo, you that me not come back here say, you know. I hear that style up, man.
No hard feelings, man. No make his looks.
Yo, you can't have man that come in your yard and take off clothes. So you never know that before me take off my clothes.
No.
Yo, I hear that style at you, man.
Sorry, I hear. Girl, you can come and find me.
You gone?
Yeah, he must come and call you. He gone. The boy can't chat, you see. Yes. Sure. Like that. Me can't count it.
You see? I want $1,000 this now. When last you make this, when you ever make so much money like this?
I think I never make so much money in my life.
You see me tell us that this couldn't work?
Okay.
You see me tell her, come here and see me, man. Rena, any progress? Alright, Karim come. And Rochelle, bingo, you know. Alright, hurry up and Karim come, we're there. Hurry up. Think me a play.
Show side of place, huh?
Yeah, well, come on now.
In a so?
Yeah, no worry about outside, man. If you look good. Come on. Come on now. Yeah, worry about. I move so nervous. Come on now. Nervous, eh? Come on, come, go on. Go on now, I'm just nervous, so. Just take off your your clothes, man, and put your body on your corner here, bedside. Let's take off your clothes, man. I'm sorry. But you, no man, not you bad feeling take me. I know some I couldn't bother do it.
Bad feeling take you.
Yeah.
Next time with them, yeah?
So yeah, move so.
I'm good, man. Everything good.
So you can't give me no hug.
After disrespect.
Alright, later.
Good. Yo, red gal. You know see my money them.
How can I see people say that you ask me?
I'm not come out with my wallet. I'm come out with my full wallet, you know. I come out, I left for 5 back with my wallet in my pocket.
So what me I do with your money? Eh? What me I do with your money? Man, come baby, sister.
Alright, no, you know what? You said me can't find my wallet.
How you gonna do? What happened?
No, it's alright, it's alright. I'm a driver's license, I think, you know you.
Big up and nice.
The idea nice.
Girl, this can't work. Girl, this can't work, bro.
We doubt you at first, but we thank you. But next time, please, don't give me such an ugly man. Damn, brother, don't do it, please. Alright, next, I see you next man we all get. A Jacob. You understand? Bad man. Yeah, him bad but he rich. You understand?
Okay. So right now, the man when me have a house, my going big girl house.
This is money I will get. I put it on to get one here. And we need to be sure, yeah?
This money I'm gonna be able to take care of, so I shall put it to use. And if you buy one crib, so nice ties, all these things.
Very good, very good. I like how you think. Because your baby father did your heart, you understand? And you one, so you have to stand up with the youth. So I like how you take care of your little one boy. You know what I say? Yeah.
And for them young girl when they breed, you know, and as a man gone, they're ready for gone.
That's true, but
Peer kill this young girl nowadays.
anyways, cheers to life.
And more money.
That's the spirit, that's the spirit. What we say? What we say?
Woman power.
Woman power. Money power.
Money power, yeah. Them like.
Yes. Tomorrow, same thing. And bigger too.
Jet black marker pushing harder as you scribble on my face, tarnishing a work of art. Funny how we fall apart. Fool to thinking we were the real thing. Was it just a shiny frame? I thought we were a masterpiece, but I was just imagining. Now I'm good.
Yeah, look for.
What you say?
Yeah, move, sir. Okay.
Ain't that all?
Yeah.
That's that one.
What?
That's that one.
Oh, anyways, take out the clothes now.
Right away?
Eh?
Right away?
Yeah, take out the clothes.
Alright? Now I'm free.
Yeah, ready.
Oh, go on in there, sir. Yo! What you do? You sound like a rubber, yo. Oh, what are you do, brother? See, not trying to set me up. Calm down, what? Oh, she pay to come my wallet out of my bag. What are you do? Oh, no, me think calm down. What can I say that?
No, what do I know?
Eh? Eh? What can I say that? You're going in a pocket? Yo, what can I say this, brother?
Yo, what you do? Lower! What you touch her for? What you touch? Oh!
Don't move.
What is it for? I'm going. Where you get the message there?
Long there, so.
No put in as a palm. Take it as a for me.
Hold this. Okay.
Take it as a.
Hey, shut up, amor.
One more.
Shut up, amor. Hey, boy. You make one move. A shell of face. What pin number for Scotia? Hey, boy, you better check your pin number for Scotia.
Listen, me not fit talk, I don't want you to shell my face. Listen, me not fit talk.
Yo, shut. What pin number for Scotia? Hey, no boy feel like say. What pin number for Scotia? Yo, take out the phone.
Three.
Take out the phone.
Three. Taking yourself and me some claiming by code now.
What?
366. 2.
Again.
366.
Sorry.
You have that Scotia 3662. What pin number for NCB?
I take code for all of them. One code me use for all of them.
And it's such a core.
Yeah man, I one code me use for all of them.
Hey boy, say yo, you have one. Go on down there and try everything I find. Hey boy, say if no money upon here. Mr.
Oh, no, like that.
Oh, sit down back. Oh, sit down back.
So, this one the pan.
Go on! You know, hear me say if you go on a ATM, go drop everything off of them. You can't move. Go on.
You mean no? You mean it?
Open the door and I do it.
Open up what do? Lock shut! Cause you're nobody yet. Now listen. You can't want pretty girl. I don't want to spend money and so this thing go. Eh? You could have huff and puff if first rise or rise. I want in your head. Oh, stop the chattings. Let me ask you something. Where your woman there? You not a girlfriend?
Yeah, let's do on all day now. You got chatting. Let's do on all.
Eh, boy. How that? Let's see.
Let me get it.
I got you.
Call me so. Can I talk to you?
Yeah, man, go on. Go forward. Yeah, boy. Yeah, mom. Put on it.
I don't like it. Someone else for me so. You have to do it and that will take away. And the man look evil, bro. Why you do this? Why you get this type of job for?
Listen. You go here sick. Turn it up. You are one. Now we can't there when we all do this. Mama talk about way money. How much?
I know millions, you know. Maybe a million.
Listen. Tomorrow morning. You split up your money, but you can't dare so go on. Yeah, me need that. I know say you have to go so. Go on straight home. Go on straight home. And tell the rest of the girl you say. Don't bring nobody here. For the rest of the day.
Okay.
Yo. Say your prayers.
So which prayers? Look like pastor to you. Just do it off, you know, man. You hear that?
Oh, so you have big talk. I don't know, you know. Let me tell you something. Missy say you're not regular somebody to play with. So me now go just let you go so. So me go get rid of you.
Nah, man. Do what you have to do, no, man. I'm tired of my life and I'm want to go home, you know.
Boy, shut up. You're not dictate no me yes sir. Here what one. You're gonna run me from yes, you're gonna lift up. Because you call yourself done, you know. But if you know say my links tall too. You know nothing about me? Eh? Me have links everywhere. You see all this now, man. You know my thing come down, you know me get this some 80. Me have links everywhere. So here we go on. You go take up your belongings and go on. Lift up for around here. You know hear me say, boy? Take up your things and leave. Give a question. Hey boy, lift up. Hurry up and lift up.
Sakim. How are you going with the object?
That the object you take care of, man. Me fling that in a river. Fish them go there enjoy themselves. Oh, you are going? I don't want to talk about that. What I want to talk about, we finally make it into the 10 million region. So, no, can't share up and Rochelle not reach it.
Sure. I'm excited for now.
Relax, man. Relax. You ever late, you see it? Always I talk to you about this style, you ever late. Anyways, we finally make it into the 10 million region. And we're going to broke the money here now. Understand?
Yeah. So boss, hold on. I guess I want to bring one man come up here yesterday. Come and meet a man, you know, and the dog loaded. But regular say nobody no for company in. So what go on?
You don't worry about that. Look at this. This we are talking about. Oh yeah, we're going to share up the money. But in that case, just know say, We'll go on a small island, go enjoy ourselves.
Yeah, you bingo. Sorry, but we bingo. I'm too excited. But I'm broke your back. But we bingo. So come now, right now. See how much with the money. So I'm not excited on that stuff. So I'm not excited. So we make millions.
Just come see nobody, yo.
I can't buy my stush people. I'm not here with the girls, so we make millions. Nobody is not here. Nobody not there here. We just stush like a regular time.
Hello. We're gonna go on a small island and enjoy ourselves. Celebrate. Because we finally R-I-C-H.
Rich. Tell me I'll put my foot from here about money. Don't forget some mine too. So me have to love you now. You put me through this, you know.
Right.
I'm gonna do you, but I'm happy
Yeah, I
now.
never want to listen.
Yeah, I'm not inches on them a kind of weird thing that it's rich now.
I wanna feel.
Feel happy, nice.
Alright.
Small island? With pool? I'm going too far.
With everything. All inclusive.
Yeah, that's how we got the money, so girl.
No worry about that, I'm not carrying my horse, me worry about.
You're such a good man, me first. So I want to put me through this, you know. See that? You see that?
Come, me second. Remember some me your plan.
Yes, smell. Smell like smell rich.
Rochelle.
How are you, girl? You know, say I smell rich. Rich now, so.
Yes! Nobody can talk to me, you know. I'm a billion, million here. I'm suffering done. Yeah.
I buy some baby clothes. I want a crib. I never had a crib. I have a bed in my face.
Girl, I get crib now. Me get house. So that me worry about.
Me get Benz.
Benz.
Yes, me get Benz. Me get
Well,
Benz. Benz, look at Benz with sunroof. Anytime.
I tell her. But we are go forever. And you know we just have to just hold.
From. Man, badness, you know. You see, they're not paying for nothing at all. No. This can I hear that?
we can drive markets, crowd, Beamer, Benz. Girl, think smart.
Exactly.
When I say we are go catching my name, but how we are getting money?
But hold on. She not have a baby. You think she's suitable?
See around, wind of the open sky, over the siren sound. This is a dream, getting the royal scar, holding a diamond blade, throwing it far. Holding your breath still, open your eyes, what can you see around? Wind of the open sky, over the siren sound. This is a dream, getting the royal scar, holding a diamond blade, throwing it far. Open your eyes, what can you see around? Wind of the open sky, over the siren sound. This is a dream, getting the royal scar, holding a diamond blade, throwing it far.
Jesus Christ.
Open
Listen,
your
someone.
eyes.
Now
What can you
get up,
see
please.
around?
Girl, no.
Wind of the open sky.
When I get up,
Over the
please, girl.
siren
I beg you.
sound.
I beg you. Whenever I want the
This is a
money, girl, just
dream.
get up, girl.
Rolling
What you gonna
stone.
do? Girl, keep
Holding
right
the
up.
diamond
Rena,
bright.
girl, please. Me a beg you, Jesus Christ. What would do? Rena, please, girl. We are come. Girl, what you gonna do? Send someone into the stair. Rena, please, girl. I'm sorry, last girl.
Wind of the open
Jesus
sky.
Christ, what would do?
Over the
What would
siren
do? Not gonna
sound.
do. Me
This
a
is a
beg you,
dream.
girl. Get up,
Getting the
girl. No,
rolling
don't be this,
scar.
please. Remember you have your
Holding the
baby at the bar,
diamond
Rena.
bright. Throwing it far.
Girl, what we are gonna do?
Open your eyes.